On March 13, 1997, scores, perhaps hundreds of Arizonans were privy to one of the most dramatic UFO sightings of the modern age. And at least one Phoenix resident also witnessed a strange holographic image in the wake of that massive triangular UFO. But was she the only one who got a glimpse of the truth? At 8:30 Mountain Standard Time, a caller to the National UFO Reporting Center stated that he had seen the giant triangle and what he thought was a red laser beam shoot out of the craft very near to where Christine had seen the hologram.
The testimony that says that there was a red laser beam tends to lead one toward the explanation that it was a holographic projection. And it might be that as they were shutting those sources down or in the process of moving it across the sky, one accidentally became visible for a short period of time.
And where does a red laser beam and a striking UFO also make a nighttime appearance? In Mexico City. Gustavo Camacho and Hugo Yax are photojournalists for Excelsior, one of Mexico's oldest and most prestigious newspapers. On the night of August 26, 1997, Hugo was shooting a test of a red laser beam in downtown Mexico City. And when the laser beam appeared, so did a UFO.
Y empecé a tomar mis fotos.
They were shooting the lasers from one building to another. A beam was thrown, and I started taking pictures. I came back to the newspaper to develop them, and I showed them to Mr. Camacho, that we had lights or spots on the film. He told me to process the negatives and develop them again. I cleaned the negative and did the whole procedure again. The lights didn't go away. The funny thing about this situation is that in negative number 2, the points appear vertically. In number 3, they disappear. In number 4, they appear again.
Then
it skips to number 8, when the points are horizontal. I have been with the paper for 26 years, and I have reached the conclusion that this was not any spots or reflections, but real luminous points that were in the sky.
Mexico City, because of its pollution, it would be an ideal place to experiment with laser holography. The fact that there was an incident where a red laser shot into the sky and at the same time a UFO was spotted seems to have more than coincidental relationship.
And perhaps the fact that the big saucer of '97 appeared on one of the smoggiest days of the year is no coincidence either.